Okay, everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to work with our 808 drum beat machine. So, first thing first, we are going to go over to let me fix it. I have my camera up on the side here. So first thing first, we are going to essentially just go over to our Schoology page, come down to the Rhythm Composer IO 808. You're going to click on this. And it's going to take you to the 808 drum machine. This is a drum machine that hip-hop composers used. It was invented in Japan in the 80s. But we can actually work with an online version. There's a big metal box version that connects to a speaker that you can use. But this one, we can operate right through our computer screen. So if you want written instructions, down here, there's a tutorial page, and it will go through everything and how to set it up if you're a text-based and a visual-based learner. But I'm going to actually show you guys how to do it as a simple setup and what you're going to need to do for your assignment. So, first thing first, this is our mode knob. If you click on something, you can slide it and change where it goes. Now, we're going to stick with part 1. Next thing to do is you're going to come down and you're going to make sure it's on the first drum beat. So you're going to select that and then hit start. Now there's already going to be a rhythm pattern in place that you can hear. I'm going to stop it really quick. You do need to start it. If you would like to clear that pattern, you're going to come over and click on the clear pattern. And then press this knob. Go back to part 1. It should be clear. Let's see. And it is cleared. So there's no input going in. Now, if you're seeing down here that I'm going to move this up here. When I hit start, you look for the flashing bulb. It's going through, and that's the triggering of these elements. The way we can make sounds start happening now is that we have it first selected on bass drum. So this is our instrument selection node. What this does is that these line up with these. So they're all sound effects. So AC means accent. That's actually not going to make any sound. That just makes certain parts of it louder. But if I go over here to bass drum, which is to BD bass drum, or bass drum BD. Now if I hit start, I can start clicking here and it will make a bass drum. When it's right there. Bass drum noise. Bass drum noise. Bass drum noise. So those are bass drum. We can also add other ones. Play around with this. So snare drums. So once we select that, it's going over to a different one. Next one, let's do a hi-hat. And we're going to do a closed hi-hat. We'll just select every one, see what that sounds like. Now you can stop that by going down here to stop. And that will stop it. Something else you can do is, so for each pattern, we have an A and a B section. So if I go over to the B, nothing's in yet. So I can add to this and make it longer also. Let's do, so what you can do is you can click down and go up and down, and we'll switch between. I'm going to do something that's just really simple. So bass drum, LT is low tom. MT's middle tom. Then we'll pick a high tom. Now I can switch between those now if I hit AB. It's going to go A, B, A, B. And again, we can stop it. Now, how you're going to share that with me is you're going to hit the download button right here. And that downloads this. And you're just going to open that file and attach it. So it's a JPSON file, so you really can't do much with it besides upload it, which you would do right here, which I will do for grading. So you're going to download it and then attach it to Schoology. So we go to Schoology. I haven't created the assignment for it yet. I'll show you guys how to do that in class later. So that is the way that we create our drum beats in the IO 808 drum beat machine.